Hello and welcome to Provision-ISR's short but accurate. Today's subject will be how to gather as much information possible from our NVR even if we're not next to it. So first thing, we will just access into the server list, which is located on the upper right screen, upper right corner of the screen. We are immediately gonna see some NVRs. We are going to just pick the one that we want. First of all, we can see the right in the right side we can see a green signal. That means that this NVR is online. Whichever has a gray signal, it means that it's offline. Very simple. If we want to share our device, we can just press on the QR code button. Whoever scans this image right now from our phone, or we can just share it throughout WhatsApp, whoever has this can access into our device only under condition that he has, of course, username and password. If we will press the I button, we will get access into the device's information the same way we would get if we were next to this device. So we have the basic info, including the name, firmware, and everything. We have the channel status. Okay, we can see the name of the camera. Okay, we can see the status of the camera. We can see if it has motion and everything. And of course, we have this kind of a section for every camera. Okay, so we have many different sections. Alarm status, we can see what kind of alarms are happening right now on our device. We have 5 motion detections. Ignore the where it says error. It just means that it's active. Okay, it just means that the motion is active right now. And if we will access into it, we're gonna see the alarm source. Okay, so we can see that this is the camera that creates this alarm, and we can have on the bottom, we have an ability to skip between pages to see the results for each and every camera. Okay, very good. Same goes for analytic. Okay, we see the analytic for this camera, and we see we see also the what kind of analytic it is. It is the sterile area. We have analytic from another camera, okay, the perimeter alert camera. In this case, the analytic is also sterile area. Very simple. Next thing that we have here is the recording status. Okay, we have a list of all of the cameras, and we can see, let's take for example this one. We can see that this is the frame per second. Okay, and we can see that this is the bit rate, and we can see that this is the resolution this camera is set to provide, and we can see how it is recording, schedule and motion detection. Disk network, I skip network. In network information, we can see everything regarding to network, starting from the IP address to the MAC address to the ports being used to the bandwidth that the NVR is using. We can see that the total bandwidth is 160 megabyte. And the remaining bandwidth is 108. So we are using in about 50 to download video from the camera. The NVR is downloading the video from the cameras, and it has also the same parameter for outgoing bandwidth. So the NVR is currently using 1 megabyte in order to upload video to whoever is asking. That can be myself with the smartphone or whoever is connected through another device. In disk information, we can see more details regarding the disks, total disk space, how many disks are available, what is the remaining space, and much more. In the near future, you will have the ability to upgrade your device via the cloud. It's not fully implemented at the moment, but this is something that will be able in the near future. Okay, thank you all for joining us for this section, for this chapter of Short But Accurate. Have a great day.